peeps? It's your girl, Dash. Come back to Real Takes. Well, it's that time, you guys. It's a horror short time, and this is through one of my faves, Deformed Lunchbox. This was titled Sneeze of Death. Now, that title, I can only imagine. So, with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Say the rest of my thoughts with you guys. Mm. What in the world? She's trying to make herself sneeze? Really? Okay. That should be it. Oh my God. Wow. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, God, it's so gross. Mm. Mm. Oh, all right, you guys. I really enjoyed this horror show. Still trying to get the visual out of my head from her sneezing. I will tell you this: when watching that, I had moments where, yeah, you know you're trying to sneeze and all that, and just the itching of it not happening, and it's just you're waiting, and then sometimes you do something else, and then it finally comes. But the lengths that she tried to use all these different ways to progress to make the sneeze come, when she did the thing with the pepper, I thought that should do it. Nothing. She goes to and opens up this box that's locked up with this nice card, and I want to say, is it? I'm not saying it right, dandelion. Could be saying it wrong. God, I'm trying to remember what my own flowers, whatever, look like. But needless to say, that's the catalyst that brought on the sneeze that caused her death. Oh God. Oh, just think about the splatter. Oh my goodness, my stomach. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, you see how kind of don't know if it's say definitely a flashback or whatever of the guy, I'm assuming going to see her, giving her that, and then her slamming the door. Was just like, okay, and then you see him. He takes his own life. We get his splatter too, and so unfortunate. And you see all the pictures he had of her that he tell he truly loved her. Oh, just sad all around both. Hers. Something just something that constantly happens to your body, and him from being heartbroken. I'm just like, oh my gosh. And that little ending with the my stomach. Just thinking about it, but very effective as always. I always love watching Deformed Lunchbox. They do great horror shorts. So with that said, you guys comment below. Let me know what you think. And with that said, I'll see you guys next horror short. You guys take care.